Welcome to this short instruction video on how to use the wheel chart of sustainability. In Finland, a social innovation tool has been developed to discuss and analyze the different dimensions of sustainability. The discussion tool, or the wheel chart as we call it, is contextualized within our intangible cultural heritage. We believe that through living heritage we can contribute to the issues of sustainability. This tool is founded on the 4 pillars of sustainability. These are ecological, economic, social, and cultural sustainability. These 4 dimensions have been divided into 8 categories of questions that are interconnected. In the wheel chart, you will find 24 questions to discuss and analyze the complex matters from a perspective of cultural phenomena or activity of your own interest. As our lives continuously flow between different spheres, from the private to the professional and so on, we ask you to focus on one standpoint of your own interest for each conversation you have with the wheel chart. So this is how to use the wheel chart of sustainability. First, choose a living heritage phenomenon or activity that interests you. Then look at the topics on the edge of the outer sleeve. Please find an interesting topic and explore the questions. Try to be open-minded and avoid obvious answers. You can explore as many topics as you like. Are there any new thoughts you could put into practice? One of my greatest interests in life is dance, so for this conversation I selected dance as the activity to be discussed. Let's start the questions from the social sustainability categories of accessibility and interaction. First question: how can the activity enable interaction between people? As you will see, the questions deepen from a simple one to more analytical ones. We hope you enjoy the conversations initiated through the wheel chart. You can always create new questions that you think are important or more suitable for your own purpose. Good luck in finding new perspectives to tackle the issues of sustainability. Thank you for joining the conversation.